More news coming in. The Supreme Court of India is all set in fact, to set up an expert committee to probe the Pegasus controversy. The CGI has said some experts have been contacted to be part of the committee, are facing some personal issues and are not able to join. Detailed orders on this expected next week. Nalini Sharma was in court. Nalini, what has happened? Just break this down for us.
Well, Sneha, the Supreme Court, while hearing another matter, happened to have one of the advocates who was appearing in the Pegasus matter appearing before them, Senior Advocate C.U. Singh. So it was Senior Advocate C.U. Singh who was informed by the Chief Justice of India that the Supreme Court is looking into forming a committee which is most likely going to be separate from the technical committee that has been recommended by the central government to the Supreme Court to probe the entire Pegasus matter. But the Supreme Court stated that they are expressing some difficulties. Some of the technical members who have been contacted are expressing some difficulties in joining this committee because of some personal reasons. So because of that, the Supreme Court's not been able to pass the orders in the matter yet, even though they wanted to do so this week. But it is likely that we can expect details order on this by next week from the Supreme Court, giving details of exactly who will be part of this committee and exactly how this entire probe will be carried on. This was a very important issue that had come up before the Supreme Court because the central government had categorically told the Supreme Court that they cannot give an answer as to whether or not Pegasus was in fact used for surveillance of the people. And to clarify the same, they had already set up an expert committee and they wanted an approval of that from the Supreme Court. But now what seems like is that the Supreme Court's not going to give the approval to the committee that has been set up by the central already, but is instead going to set up its own committee of technical members. But we can't, of course, read too much into it so far. We'll have to wait next week to see exactly what the Supreme Court orders and who the members of this technical committee, which is going to be probing Pegasus, are going to be.
Nalini, thanks for getting us all of those details. Nalini Sharma with that story from the Supreme Court.